Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys having a nice day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you know if your iPhone has been hacked or not. So guys, there are some symptoms, or you can say there are some signs that indicates your iPhone has been hacked or not. So I'm going to tell you that. The first one is high data usage. Unexpectedly high data usage may suggest that a malicious software is transmitting data from your device. The second one is unrecognized apps. You need to check for your apps that you don't remember downloading or that look suspicious. The third one is pop-ups and ads. Frequent pop-ups or ads, especially when you are not using a web browser, can be a sign of malware. Another one is increased temperature. If your phone feels unusually hot even when not in use, it could be due to malware. Now another sign of hack is performance issues. If your iPhone is slower and crashes frequently and behaves erratically, it might be compromised. Another very important sign is that unusual battery drain. If your iPhone's battery is draining faster than usual, it could be due to malware running in the background. So guys, you need to just keep that in mind, that any of these signs indicates your phone. You need to just reset it, or you need to just go to any software expert, and after that your problem may be solved. So guys, that's how you can check your iPhone has been hacked or not. Hope you find it helpful. If you find it helpful, then give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching this video.